Well, it's finished. Qi4A or Qi4A or whatever you want to call it. It's a dark place source port for Android. It actually a very old source port. It actually since Android 2.1 I guess or 2.2, 2.3. It's around that time. And because that old API and the newer Android is not able to run it, and because of that I tried to look for the source, maybe the source code, and I found it. And then no, it has been updated since like 10 years I guess. 8-10 years, it's around that time. I forgot about it. And because of that, I'm planning to update this source port by my own. No. Okay. So yeah, I've been trying to updating it. Now it works. And hard process. I need to, move this project. This is used to be an Eclipse project, and then I move it to Android Studio, and then I updated some deprecated API, and then, well, not a lot of deprecated API. There's still a lot deprecated API or script or codes that I still can update, but it's just too overwhelming to me. I just take the one that I can or I understand. And then I also updated the user interface. It's to respect the owner. Yes, he doesn't want Forbes to use his image. So what I did is I draw it myself, the arts, and then what else did I update? Oh, right, the ABI. The ABI is also updated. Now the application is on separate. Oh my god, not that again. Yeah, I hate that thing. It's on separate API now, so there is the version for RMv7, RMv8, x86, and x86-64. The one that have been tested is RMv7 and V8, which is the one I'm playing right now. The x86 and x86-64 I haven't tested because I don't have the device. If you want to test it, you can go ahead to the GitHub on my description and you can try it. If there is bug or issue, you can try send some info, because but I don't know if I'm going to do bug fixing a lot, because life is pretty much full of work. I still need to work around. I was able to finish this because it's after New Year. I got some time to finish it, and yeah, can finish it now. I don't know what to say. I mean, I'm just loving this. The fact that I'm able to play Quake on mobile all over again is just massive. Like, really massive. You don't know what Quake meant for me. Like, it's one game that I absolutely love. It's a very old game, but you know it's just cool. The game is cool. It's also the first game that actually introduced 3D graphics, I think. Well, mainstreamly. There's a lot of game with 3D graphics, but mainstreamly, I think Quake actually the one that introduced it. Also, Quake is the one that introduced FPS genre, which is very, very cool. Like previously, it's Doom clones, right? They are called Doom clones. And Quake's literally the first one that actually introduced FPS because it has verticality, it has that shape, the 3D stuff. Man, it's just cool. I know people gonna say like, why don't you just play it on laptop or something? You have a laptop, right? Like this is laptop, yeah. But it just feels different. I like playing games portably, and my phone is one of portable device that I own, and that thing alone, playing Quake on mobile is just I don't know how to describe it. It's fun. I also finished the hard mode on mobile. I challenged myself. I'm going to finish Quake on hard mode, and if hard mode is done, maybe I'm going to continue it on PC again or laptop. I don't know, but yeah, it basically Quake on mobile is really important for me, and I'm pretty much proud on what I work on this, and I hope people more there is more people that actually going to preserve game and maybe also port games to Android. I actually was about to give up on this project because there's a new emulator. I don't know if it's emulator or compatibility layer, but there is this new thing called WinLayer, and I was about to give up and maybe I should just use WinLayer, but no. You know what? I'll try challenge myself because it's getting close. Like it's getting close and closer, and because of that, it is finished. Now, what am I going to do after this? Maybe do. Maybe I'm just going to do normal life game. Mm, my job, my hands full with Unity projects. Oh, I still work on Unity stuff. Um, I don't know. Quake for no Quake for Android. This one is Quake for Android. Sorry, finish. Uh, Quake Droid. Quake Droid have a really wonky touch controls. I want to update that, but that one thing is too hard. Maybe I'll leave it at other times. Ah, Freedom. Freedom is the one. Freedom is basically GZ Doom packed with free what, like maybe a demo or something, but it gives this free what that you can play. It's also an open source project. You can literally check it out on the GitHub. You can find it. So yeah, there is this freedom. It's still able to run on recent hardware. My problem with that thing is the touch control is it feels not good. Shall I say this? Like the finger area management is not. It just doesn't feel right, and you will misclick a lot with that touch control. The the sensitivity itself, the control itself, the mouse movement is already good, but there's just some error mismanagement on the touch. Yeah, I might need to fix, but I don't know if I'll be able to fix that one. So yeah, I think this project is cool, finished, and I can live happily ever after. Maybe one day Android will decide to be you know decide to just block some stuff, which I hope not. I mean, they've been trying to reduce a lot of features. I don't get why they do that. But yeah, I hope not. I hope this is going to be able to be running on long term. If not, I'm probably going to update it again. So yeah, I guess that's all about it. If you want to try it, you can go to the GitHub page and download the source code yourself. Remember this one. I must say it before I've ended this video. To play this game, you're gonna need Quake, like Quake packs, like whole thing. If you don't own it, you're gonna be able to play the game. So I suggest you buy Quake on Steam or GOG. I recommend GOG, but the one that I own is from Steam. Like this Quake is from Steam. I get on. Uh, the reason why I buy it on Steam because GOG doesn't provide uh purchase for my country, which is kind of annoying. But yeah, it's West after all. Uh, okay. Yeah, I guess that's all about it. I don't condone piracy. The game is still up. It's still up. You can literally buy it and then pick the inside. The original Quick doesn't have the RM also, so you can just take the inside and play it on other source code. Same as Doom. Doom, you can also take out the WAD and you can play it on GZ Doom somewhere else and improve the gameplay. Yeah, guess that's all about it. I'm going to play some Quake. See ya.